Hello, gardening enthusiasts! Today we're going to talk about 3 amazing herbs that you can regrow in water. No soil needed. Not only are they easy to grow, but they also come with incredible health benefits. Let's dive in. Herb 1. Basil. First up is basil. Basil is a popular herb known for its aromatic leaves and versatility in cooking. Growing tips. Choose a healthy stem. Cut a 4 to 6 inch stem from an existing basil plant. Make sure it's a healthy, vibrant stem. Remove lower leaves, remove the leaves from the bottom 2 inches of the stem, place in water, place the stem in a glass of water ensuring the stripped part is submerged. Sunlight. Place the glass in a spot that receives plenty of sunlight, like a windowsill. Change water. Change the water every few days to prevent stagnation and encourage healthy root growth. Roots. In a few weeks, roots will develop and your basil will be ready for use. Health benefits: anti-inflammatory. Basil contains essential oils that reduce inflammation. Antioxidant rich. It's packed with antioxidants that fight free radicals. Digestive aid, helps to improve digestion and reduce bloating. Herb 2. Mint. Next we have mint. Mint is a refreshing herb used in a variety of dishes and beverages. Growing tips. Select a stem. Take a 4 to 6 inch cutting from an established mint plant. Strip lower leaves. Remove the leaves from the bottom half of the stem. Place in water. Put the stem in a glass of water, ensuring the lower part is submerged. Sunlight. Keep the glass in indirect sunlight. Water maintenance. Change the water every few days. Watch for roots. Mint will start developing roots in a couple of weeks. Health benefits: digestive health. Mint is known for soothing the stomach and aiding digestion. Breath freshener. Its natural properties help freshen breath, relieves headaches. The menthol in mint can help alleviate headaches and migraines. Lastly, let's talk about rosemary. This fragrant herb is not only great for cooking but also has several health benefits. Growing tips. Cut a stem. Take a 6 to 8 inch cutting from a healthy rosemary plant. Remove lower leaves. Strip the leaves off the bottom 2 inches of the stem. Submerge in water. Place the stem in a glass of water with the stripped part submerged. Sunlight. Keep it in a sunny spot like a windowsill. Change water. Refresh the water every few days to prevent mold and bacteria. Root development. Rosemary takes a bit longer to root, usually a few weeks to a month. Health benefits: improves memory. Rosemary has compounds that can boost memory and concentration. Antioxidant properties. It's rich in antioxidants that help fight inflammation. Supports digestion. Rosemary can help stimulate digestion and improve gut health. And there you have it. 3 wonderful herbs, basil, mint, and rosemary, that you can easily regrow in water. Not only will you have a fresh supply for your cooking, but you'll also enjoy their numerous health benefits. Happy growing! Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more gardening tips. See you next time at Health Wavem.